Can your MVCC IPC perform in freezing temperatures? Watch this low temperature assembly test as per EN 50397-2 to see how it maintains electrical contact even under extreme cold. An insulation piercing connector, or IPC, is used in medium voltage covered conductor systems to create a secure electrical connection without removing insulation. In hilly or forested regions, these lines are exposed to severe cold, snow, and frost. During such conditions, metal contracts and insulation hardens. If the connector cannot maintain proper contact, it will lead to arcing or failure. That's why the low temperature assembly test, also known as the deep freezing test, is so important. It verifies that your IPC can still make a stable and reliable connection even in freezing conditions. Let's dive deep into how to conduct this test. Step 1. Set the temperature chamber to the test temperature of -10 plus -3 degrees Celsius, which means between -7 degrees Celsius and -13 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Place the IPC and the conductor cores inside the chamber. Wait until both reach the test temperature. Step 3. Assemble the IPC on the conductor while it is still at this temperature. Follow the manufacturer's installation instructions and use a torque meter to apply the recommended torque. 1 full turn in 8 seconds. Step 4. Measure the electrical continuity between the main and branch conductors. Record the torque at which continuity is achieved. This confirms that the IPC can establish a proper electrical path even when frozen. As you can see, the lights on the continuity tester are blinking, which means electrical continuity is achieved and there is no mechanical damage. The Axis MV IPC has passed the test as per EN 50397-2, proving it can perform reliably even in freezing temperatures. This test is performed at our Axiom Lab in Mumbai, which is accredited by the National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories. Before you move on to another video, remember that even the best tests can't compensate for inadequate installation. Watch this video to learn about the correct installation procedures for MV insulation piercing connectors.